Alright, let's try this again. This time just starting with everything on the table. Left hand behind my back. Got a master number 3 here. First I'm going to place the tension wrench just inside. Whoop. Start this way up. Have to use the table for this bit because it's very tricky to get in there. There we go. Now we'll stay in there. Okay, now the challenging part is getting all this up into my hand while not losing the pick. So I'm just inserting the pick here, just enough to keep it in place. Alright, I got the pick. The tension wrench here. Okay, so just carefully sliding this pick in if I can. As you can see, it's partially come out, but it's at least angled towards the keyway. I have to resist the temptation to get my other hand out. Okay, I think I got it. Just have to shift the lock in my hand. See if I can keep this on camera. Oh, come on. Get back in there. Okay, there we go. Now I feel it going in. Just carefully feathering that tension while I gently nudge each pin. This last one is the doozy. If I can just get it past this last pin, I should be able to get this open. Oh, I think I got it. I'll just use the table to pull it open, and voila!